Hello guys, welcome back to Softasia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add tooltip on button like this in your WordPress blog or page using WP Bakery Page Builder and HT Mega add-ons. When you hover over this button, it will show you what's in this button. To add it, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Now once you log in to your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar, search HT Mega add-on for WP. Install this plugin and then activate it. After activation, go back to dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now go to posts and click on add new post. Add post title and publish the post. Now click on WP Bakery Page Builder and then click on Backend Editor. Now click on Add Element button. Add custom heading and heading text. Now save changes. Click on plus button and add text block. Now just save changes. Now under this we will add a button with tooltip. For this, go to this HT Mega add-on section. In last line you can see HT tooltip. Select it. Here you have to add text button text. Change it. Now add tooltip text. Now save changes and review the changes. Scroll down, hover over it, you can see click to open blog tooltip. Now we will change the direction of this message. Go back to editor, edit the widget, scroll down, you can make it to right, save changes and preview the changes. Now you can see it will appear on right. Now we will add a link under this button. For this, go back to editor, edit the widget. From show link, select show, select URL and then select a content page. Now you can add open new tab, select it and save changes. Now save changes and review the changes. Now here when you click on this button, it will take you to your blog page. Now go back to editor, edit the button. Now we will change the background and text color. For this, choose a red text color and black background color. And for the button, text color is white and button color is look like this. Now just save changes and review the changes. Now you can see the button color and text color was changed when you hover over it. The tooltip color was like this. That's how you can add tooltip on button in WordPress page or blog using WP Bakery and IT Mega add-ons plugin for WP Bakery. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.